Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food.
We are here.
Step 3,
King's Cross, St Pancras International.
Can everybody just...
Well, guys, can you believe the time is 10 minutes to 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're here. We are in St Pancras International. We are heading to Paris. Is that how you pronounce it? Paris. The Americans call it Paris. We call it Paris. Guys, that's how I'm starting my journey. Play some piano before we get to Paris. In a few hours, we'll be departing through. We'll be going through security down there, and then from there, hopefully, we can get into the lounge to have some coffee because we are tired. We've been driving for the last 3 hours from Bristol. But the traffic was horrible, and they closed one of the road from Poised to linked to the M4. So we have to do. It took us 1 hour to get around Bristol, but here we are, Eurostar Terminal. We'll be starting departure process shortly. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm just going up to see how the upstairs look like. Wow, it's actually beautiful. Look how gorgeous this train station look. You don't normally have a chance to come upstairs, but I just thought, come up here. If you're a business premier traveler, this is where you'll be departing from. I just want to get a little bit closer to show you guys the times of the train. So this is the time our train is. This one, 6:31. It's the first train departing from here. You can see the gate opens at 5 a.m. So this is where the underground is. So if you're going to the other part of London, so you use this part. If you're going to like airport, you use upstairs. It's quite massive. I'm trying to find where I can get water, so let me just go to the coffee shop there, see if I could get some water. It's actually a nice open train station. You can see all the boxes here displayed very, very nicely. Let me free the camera to show you guys how gorgeous the airport. The display, you can see everything clear. Paris, Brussels, Paris, non-stopping service, 8 o'clock. Wow, that's straight speed up, straight to Paris. Well, if you're going to UK, you can definitely get to Wimbledon through that. Well, let me get to Starbucks to see if I could get some water. So, in the UK, I think it's a law that if you're very thirsty and you need water to drink in the UK, just go to any of the cafes or any of the restaurants, ask for tap water, you'll definitely get one. You don't have to pay for tap water in the UK. Well, I got myself a nice tap water from Starbucks. So let me go and grab my train to Paris. Guys, we literally got in. We are the first people to be checked. Well, we're going to the lounge. Let's get into the lounge quickly. Well, guys, we're in the lounge. Unfortunately, they don't accept a priority pass here. Alright, I'm just going to take the stairs to do some exercise this morning. So American Express is accepted. Make sure you have the ticket with you because they will check to make sure the name matches with the ticket. So we're in the lounge. Let's see if we can grab some coffee or some snacks before we depart to Paris. So guys, here is the business class lounge. I'm going upstairs to get some coffee. Yeah, but look, it's big, it's beautiful. Morning. I'm just checking to see if there's a board here. It's quite nice. Wow, this is amazing. Like, yeah, there's a coffee machine here. I believe there's a takeaway coffee here. You can make coffee and take along with you. I'm pretty sure. There's a croissant. Look at the size of the croissant, guys. There's drinks here. It's amazing. I like the lounge. It's something to get ready before your Paris tour. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Nice croissant. Very, very nice. Well, a quick tour around the train station. I just want to see what else is down here. We have a pretty manger where you can buy coffee or cakes and stuff over here. And then there's a duty free down here. Yeah. Let's see what they have in a duty free. They have ultraviolet, man. Let's see what alcohol they have. A vodka is going for 27 for 2. Some magazines. If you want to buy a charger, a European one. There's no price, £16. Yeah, there's water here. The water is going for 150. Well, guys, yes, that's the train station. Nothing really to show you guys. Well, it seems to be busy. Yeah, let's get to Paris. Well, coach 11, we're boarding on platform 7. Yeah, so guys, it's quite busy. Very, very busy. Au revoir, London. Next stop, Paris.
Every night is bigger than Paris.
Coming back.
Well, guys, we're on board. Let's find our coach. Well, this is the beautiful Eurostar heading to Paris. Well, we are departing from London St Pancras. Next stop is Paris